Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to organize files in DocHub. Whether you're managing contracts, forms, business documents, or personal files, keeping everything organized can help you work more efficiently and find documents faster. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open your dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your uploaded and edited documents. Before organizing your files, take a few moments to review your existing documents. Identifying outdated, duplicate, or unnecessary files can help you create a cleaner and more manageable workspace. Next, look for folder management or organizational tools available within DocHub. If folders are supported in your account, create folders based on categories such as projects, clients, departments, or document types. If search and filtering options are available, take advantage of those features as well. Filters can help you quickly find documents based on keywords, dates, or other criteria. After organizing everything, test your setup by searching for a few files and navigating through your folders to ensure your structure works efficiently. And that's how to organize files in DocHub. By creating a logical filing system and maintaining consistent organization habits, you can save time and manage documents much more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.